myQ technology enables you to securely monitor and control your property with your smartphone, tablet, or computer for greater peace of mind. This video provides an overview on how to get connected with a myQ-enabled LiftMaster gate operator. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. To enable the myQ technology, you'll need a myQ-enabled gate operator, a LiftMaster Internet Gateway Model 828LM, a router that's connected to the Internet, and a mobile device. Start by plugging in the Internet Gateway. Connect the Internet Gateway to the router using the Ethernet cable. When the LED glows steady green, continue to the next steps. These steps should be performed by the customer. Create an online account by visiting www.myliftmaster.com. Register the Internet Gateway. Use an Internet-enabled computer or smartphone to add the Internet Gateway as a device. The Internet Gateway will stay in Learn mode for 3 minutes. There are 2 methods for pairing the gate operator to the Internet Gateway. Make sure the gate is closed. For method 1, locate the Learn button on the main control board. Press the Learn button twice. The operator will beep each time the Learn button is pressed. The Internet Gateway will pair to the operator, and the operator will beep when programming is successful. To pair the operator to the gateway without having to open the cover, you can use the Reset button or switch located on the outside of the operator. Give the operator an Open command. With the gate at the open limit, within 30 seconds, press and release the Reset button 3 times. For models with a reset switch, toggle the reset switch 3 times. The operator will beep as it enters Learn mode and when the programming is successful. Your setup is complete. Tap the gate icon on the app to control the gate operator. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit us on the web at liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet.